Hey now, it's Johnny at Foghorn. You know, Joe Biden started off this 2020 election by saying he's a uniter. But is he really?
I believe Democrats want to unify this nation. That's what our party's always been about.
They, not you, have an ally in the White House. They're a small percentage of the American people, virulent people. Some of them the dregs of society.
That doesn't sound too unifying, Joe.
That's what our party's always been about.
I mean, we're all Americans. They and them. That's not unifying.
They're going to put you all back in chains.
Why? Why do you feel you need to do that?
It's a divisive tactic that's insulting to African Americans. It brought back memories of these Democratic politicians in the South.
As a matter of fact, what he said is they are going to do something to y'all, not to me, not us.
They're going to put you all back in chains.
He was still involved with that separate American, and I'm sick and tired of being considered something other than an American.
Alexa, what do you think?
Unify means unite and bring people together. The opposite of unify is to separate and divide.
Trying to separate Americans by race, by sex, by class, saying them and they versus us.
You could put half of Trump's supporters into what I call the basket of deplorables.
Virulent people, the dregs of society.
That's not unifying. That's divisive, and that's un-American.
That's what our party's always been about.
It takes every kind of people
to make what life's about, yeah.
It takes every kind of